All right, so now we got to talk about the results a little bit, right?
That's right.
The generation of reports against your collected assessment data is very critical to your vulnerability testing program. Providing the right data to the right people is the key, obviously, to a successful effort. And like the scan templates we outlined earlier, reports also have templates. Report templates can allow you to filter and customize the vulnerability details for a particular scan or set of scans.
Right.
Now, if you configure a weekly scan, which assesses an entire data center, the scan may contain a mix of Windows, Unix, workstations. In this example, each of these operating systems is supported by a different team, and you have to break out just the vulnerabilities that are applicable to only those teams. Let's not waste their time, right?
Right.
In this case, you would create 3 report templates and run each of them against the single data center scan.
That's absolutely correct. Many security companies are going to simply use the results from the automated vulnerability assessment tools in a penetration test report and charge in the region of $25,000 for this information.
Right.
Okay, but here's the difference. Professional penetration testing teams will take a look at the results and actually attempt to penetrate the vulnerability results from the scans, confirming whether the systems are exploitable using hacker methods. Now, you have to be sure to stay within the penetration testing scope of the work. Written authorization to exploit such systems is imperative. You want to go out there and just, come up with something, then just try and go in the back door, right? Certain systems are out of bounds as far as exploitation is concerned.
Now, you can see here, there's a sample of an MBSA scan report. So, let us move on.
That's right.